Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Tundra headlight. First, gather your tools. You will need a 10mm socket wrench, a new headlight bulb, and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set before starting any work. Now, open the hood to gain clear access to the headlight assembly. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone. Now that your hood is open, let's get to the headlight assembly. You will see two 10mm bolts at the top of the assembly. Use your socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove both of these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It is held in place by a few clips, so a firm but gentle pull will release it. With the headlight assembly out, you can now access the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Next, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn and pull it straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, twist it clockwise 1/4 turn to lock it, and then reattach the electrical connector. Almost done. Now, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its opening. Make sure it seats properly and the clips engage. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but do not over-tighten. Once everything is secure, close your hood and turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.